New at 5, Governor Kevin Stitt vetoed a bill that would have implemented a statewide plan to combat Alzheimer's and dementia.
Fox 23's Michelle White spoke with the bill's author and the local chapter of the Alzheimer's Association. She joins us live with their response and how they're planning on moving forward.
Sarah and Rick, House Bill 2747 would have provided additional training for state workers already working in positions to support families with caretakers. The bill also had a provision for 2 grants for additional support. Today, the Alzheimer's Association expressed its disappointment in the governor's veto as they have been working with lawmakers all session to educate them on its passage. Governor Stitt's veto of House Bill 2747 is disappointing to the advocates of Alzheimer's patients and caregiver families. On Friday, the governor vetoed the bill that passed with bipartisan support, saying, "I don't believe this bill will move the needle on disease knowledge, reducing risk, or developing potential treatments," and added that the Department of Health's Chronic Disease Prevention Service is already engaged in this space and oversees several programs. Maggie Gaskins is the Director of Communications for the Alzheimer's Association Oklahoma chapter. She says the focus of the bill was expanding training for existing state workers to provide more support for patients and their families.
We were not creating new things. These people were within the health department. Dementia and Alzheimer's was within the scope of their work. And so we would provide them with additional training and making sure that they were prepared and could serve as the point person for their health district and make sure that, every health district had a person so that it wasn't just siloed into one area.
There was also a provision for grant money to stand up caregiver support groups around the state and for community research. Representative Nicole Miller was the bill's author.
Understand that it's part of what we do, and in terms of working on legislation and working on statutes. So I just think that we continue to work together, and I'm going to continue to work on Alzheimer's dementia issues. I have since my first term in office because it matters to my constituents and it matters to the state. So we're going to keep working together and try to find solutions that do benefit all Oklahomans.
The Alzheimer's Association said it too will continue working with lawmakers next session to get more resources for families with caretakers. Live in Tulsa, covering news that matters, Michelle White, Fox 23 News.